guys, we're going to play Three Little Birds today over 3 strings. So we're really going to get used to just swapping between our strings, and in particular I mean the E, the A and the D. So if you just have a go at just going like that between the 3, you can look down at what you're doing and just use your thumb, the side of your thumb. I always say your hand needs to be somewhere close to the sound hole when you're doing this, so it shouldn't be too far back here, it shouldn't be up here, it needs to be kind of covering the sound hole somewhere. I always have mine a little bit towards the back of the sound hole. Let's try that again together. Look down at what you're doing. E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A. And with Three Little Birds, all we do is we swap between those strings. And the chorus of Three Little Birds is just A for 8, so our A string for 8. But before we do that, I'm just going to remind you of the strings. So we've got E, A, D, G, B and E. And the way of remembering that is elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. And our low E is here. Our low sounding E is our elephant's string. Imagine that elephant stomping on the floor. And our high sounding E is our ears. Here. Imagine a bird in the sky. High E, high sounding E, low sounding E. Okay, so Three Little Birds, the chorus starts on A. The chorus is the main part of the song. So we go 8 plucks for the A string. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. And then D, 2, 3, 4. And then back to A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to try that together now. So get ready. After 4, we're playing together. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. And we are now going to try that with a beat, just that chorus. Okay, so I'm going to put a beat on in the background, and after 4 we're going to try that again. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was it with a beat. And it's always good to practice with a beat. It helps us speed up a little bit, get a bit more confidence as we're playing. Okay, now the verse is a little bit more, there's a little bit more to the verse. And you're going to see it on the screen. And it goes like this. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to go through that first line really slowly after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to try that second line now. Again, really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're going to try all of that with a beat, a reggae beat. Now I think the last one I put on was a little bit too fast, so I'm going to go a little bit slower. So get ready. After 4, we're trying both lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Then E, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that was both lines. Now, hopefully you're feeling a bit more confident with the whole song. So we're going to put the whole song up, and I'm going to play the chords now. I'm still going to sing the notes for you though, okay? So after 4, we're going to put on that beat again. We're going to go for the whole thing, so the chorus and the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the verse. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Then E, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're now going to play the whole thing. I'm not going to sing the notes which you should be playing. I'm not going to sing those strings that you should be plucking. So you've got to follow. Try your best to follow the music now, and that's the real test. And if you don't worry, go just rewind the video and watch again. Okay, so we're going to try the whole thing now. So I'm going to sing the words. Get ready to pluck your A strings and your Ds for the chorus first. And we're going to do the chorus twice and then the verse twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, that don't worry again. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Now the verse. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Hey guys, so that was Three Little Birds. If you struggled, just rewind the video and go through each part again. I hope you have a fabulous Easter. This was just something to keep you going. And until next week, take care.